Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes about Pulsar. My name is Christophe Bornet and I'm on the streaming team at DataStax. Today we're going to see how to create Pulsar functions in Java. If you want to follow along this tutorial and you don't already have a deployment of Pulsar, you can visit astra.datastax.com/register streaming, and there you will get a free Pulsar cluster running in under a minute. Also, if you have any questions or feedback, you can leave a comment below or email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. That will go to the Pulsar team here at DataStax. We have lots of Pulsar experts that will be happy to answer any questions you may have or help you with any problems you may be experiencing. We hope to hear from you. So what are Pulsar functions? Pulsar functions are lightweight stream processing components managed by Pulsar. They consume messages from one or more topics. Then they apply the logic you write in the language of your choice, and eventually they may write the process message to an output topic. In this tutorial, we will see how to write and deploy a function written in Java that will consume stream messages from the example input topic. They will uppercase the message, and then we will write the messages to the uppercased topic. We then use the Pulsar client to produce messages and see them uppercased with the consumer. For convenience, I will use Astra Streaming in this demo. So first step is to add the example input topic, where we will write our messages. We also add the uppercased topic. And then we can write our function. There are multiple ways to create a Pulsar function in Java. You can either implement a Java util function or use the function SDK from Pulsar. Here I will do it with using the Java function. So we implement a function that takes a string as input and outputs a string. And in the apply method, we just uppercase the string we receive and return it. Now we can just package our function. So we have a jar that was generated. And then we can use the Pulsar admin to create a function. So we use Pulsar admin's functions create. We pass the jar. We give it the name of the class that will apply the function. The tenant, the namespace, a name for the function, from which input we will read and to which output we will write. So we could have several inputs separated by comma, but here we only have one input topic. So the function was created successfully. We can check in the Astra UI that we have a function called uppercase and that it's in status running. So now we can create a consumer and a producer. So we will create a consumer on the uppercase topic, where we will get the uppercase messages, and we can produce some message, for instance, hello world, to the example input. The function will uppercase the message and we get the uppercased hello world in the consumer. We can also send other messages that will be uppercased. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click on the like button. That will make it easier for people to find this video and help get more people using Pulsar. If you would like to try out Astra Streaming, the cloud Pulsar as a service offering from DataStax, you can sign up for a free account at astra.datastax.com/register streaming. Again, if you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. That will go to our Pulsar team experts that will be very happy to answer the questions you have. Thanks again for watching this video and have a great day.